Welcome student. Today we are going to this grammatical part, that is adjective. Okay. Up to this standard, we many times we experiences this word adjective. Okay. Here we are here we are going to this adjectives uh, in a small lessons and with a particular information, that is the first definition and then examples of sentences. Okay, here are the pictures shown that a roaring lions, it roars because he is very angry. So below that there is a line, a hungry lion. So hungry in this sentence is an adjective. Okay, so it tells about the situation, condition, or a position of the lion. That lion is a very angry. Next is a table in a oval shape. So the sentence given below this picture is an oval table. Okay, next picture is a yellow box. So we get the informations about the color of the box, and yellow is an adjective of box. So here is the first definition. First line, there is a definition of an adjective, that is an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Simple. In this definition is a very simple. There are also a large definitions, that a word used with noun to describe the point out the person, animal, place. There is blah blah blah. The simple definition is an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Simple. Okay. In the second line, there is adjective generally occurs before nouns. They describe. So in the sentence there is a particular positions before nouns, the adjective comes. Okay. For example, the angry elephant trumped loudly. So here angry and a diamond is a precious stone. Here angry and precious are adjective, and it is come before the noun, that is elephant and stone. Okay. In the third point, adjective can also occur in the predicate without being followed by a noun. It is come at in the predicate position also. So here in these lessons we saw there is a predicate without following noun. Okay, the sentence is the elephant was angry. Here angry is an adjective, but it comes after the nouns, that is the elephant. A diamond is a precious. is a adjective and diamond is a noun. So here in this sentence we also come to know that the adjective also come in the predicate also. Okay. So in this lesson, this is a very small lessons. In these lessons we come to know the definition of the adjective, its real position in the sentence, that is before noun. But there are some sentences in which this adjective comes after word in the predicate part of the sentence. Okay. So these three things we saw in these lessons. There is a particular characteristics of adjective that we can identify with the characteristics. Here are the word has the certain pattern in the sentences. Okay. These adjectives are occurs in the sentences with the certain pattern. What are that patterns? The pattern is that the suffix of the adjectives uh, are comes in a different manner, means that suffixes of these adjectives are ous, us, full, ful, full, less, y, al, I, V, E, able, angry, airy, and lish. This type of suffixes to the adjective word comes, and we can easily identify the adjective words. Okay, these are the patterns through which we come to know that this word is a adjective. Okay, so here is the formation of adjectives from the other words. So the adjective form from noun, the adjective forms from verb, and the formation of adjectives from the other adjective. Let us go go through this some word. Okay, the formation of adjective from noun. There is a courage, abstract noun, courage. Okay, and the courageous is a adjective. Okay, truth, truth is a noun and truthful is an adjective. Health is a noun, healthy is an adjective. Tooth is a noun and toothless is an adjective. Nation is a noun and national is an adjective. So here are some nouns from which we can form adjective. Below that we have the adjective from verbs. So let us go through these verbs. Attract is a verb, attractive is an adjective. Depend is a verb and dependable is an adjective. Imagine is a verb and imaginary is a adjective. Okay, so formation of adjectives from the adjective. So here is another pattern of adjective that it forms from the another adjective. Black, blackish, historic, historical. Okay, these are the patterns which are be seen in this lesson. Okay. So here is a exercise. You have to complete this exercise of these lessons. Okay. So now we will stop here, and in the next lectures we will go through the exercises given below of this lesson adjective. Okay.